Just when we thought we were sliding into a peaceful 2025, California's wildfires decided to turn up the heat. Literally, entire neighborhoods have been reduced to scenes from a dystopian movie, with many families left to hold on to nothing more than memories. Seeing our friends and family navigate this mess is heart-wrenching. Right now, all we can offer is a steady stream of good vibes, because, let's be honest, thoughts and prayers might be the only things not on a shipping delay. Welcome back to Opulent Oasis. As we roll with the punches of this less than gentle start to the year, we're clinging to hope like it's the last slice of pizza at a party. Here's to a 2025 that mellows out soon, because if it's excitement we wanted, we'd have just bought lottery tickets. The market downturn and crypto opportunities. Let's face it, the financial world never really hits the pause button, even when things get wild. Recently, the crypto scene played its own version of limbo. How low can you go? And let's just say, it went lower than many hoped. This wiped out a ton of gains from the last few months, leaving many investors feeling like they just watched their digital fortunes evaporate. But, for the clever cats who cashed out at the peak, they're likely kicking back, unfazed. Some even flipped their crypto coins into more tangible indulgences, like luxury watches, because why not secure a little bling with your blockchain? Now, these weren't gentle dips. We're talking about a drop that felt like a plunge off a cliff, 20%, 30%, and hold your breath 50%. But as we've seen time and again, the market's moods swing like a pendulum, and what goes down usually comes up. History has a way of repeating itself, especially in the investment world. The seasoned pros, those market gurus who've seen it all, weren't just twiddling their thumbs. They recognized the fire sale. Solana, XRP, Bitcoin, you name it, all priced like Black Friday deals. They know something important. By the end of the year, we're likely to see these numbers bounce back up, potentially higher than a kite on a windy day. With all the uncertainty on the horizon, elections that could flip scripts, economic shifts that could shake foundations, and global events that rewrote the current, there's one immutable fact. Markets move in cycles. It's like binge-watching a thriller series. You know there'll be cliffhangers and plot twists, but you can't help staying tuned for the next episode. And that's the secret sauce here, seeing these market dips not just as setbacks, but as golden tickets for the next round of financial thrill rides. Here's to the bold and the brave who dance through downturns and bet on the bounce-backs. Pause for a moment. Why not join the Opulent Oasis crew? Subscribe for insider knowledge on luxury timepieces. Now let's get back to it. The watch market and investment strategy. As we've rolled into the cooler months, the watch market has caught a bit of a cold. Prices have softened, and it's not just because of the weather. Dealers are offloading their treasures, adjusting to a post-holiday reality where yesterday's hot ticket is today's old news. If you're still hanging on to price quotes from last summer, it's time to update your expectations. The market isn't just moving, it's sprinting in the other direction. However, let's not get too gloomy. January and February are actually the insider's secret to watch buying. These are the months when true gems can be had for a steal, the kind of deals that make savvy collectors rub their hands with glee. Watches have transcended their status as mere timekeepers. They're now bona fide assets. Consider them the Swiss bank accounts of the accessory world, portable, discreet, and steadily appreciating. Ever thought about backing a loan with your wrist bling? That's totally on the table these days. The market's buzzing with activity, buying, selling, trading. It's a veritable stock exchange, but with better aesthetics. Now, let's dive into some specifics, shall we? Take the Rolex Batman, a watch that's more than just a cool nickname. With its iconic oyster bracelet and a presence that commands respect, it's a piece that's always in vogue. Why fork over $20,000 for a Pepsi when you could get your hands on a slightly pre-loved Batman for around $13,500? Better yet, play your cards right, and you might just snag one for $12,500 sans card. It's about being smart and knowing the market, not just throwing money around. Papers are great, but knowing when to skip the full set in favor of a better price point is an art form in itself. This is the dance of the watch market. Timing is everything. It's not just about what you buy, but when and how you buy it. Navigating this world requires a mix of savvy, guts, and a bit of good old-fashioned luck. Remember, every tick of those meticulously assembled movements isn't just marking time, it's marking opportunities. So keep your eyes peeled and your bids ready, because the right moment could just be a tick away. Let's make those strategic moves that turn heads and hopefully turn profits too. Family, legacy, and the power of timepieces. In the grand scheme of things, The hustle and bustle of the markets and the dazzling allure of watches are just the backdrop to the real treasures in life: family, connections, and legacy. As we lay down our plans for 2025, it's not just about gathering assets, but creating moments that bring our loved ones closer. Picture this: a powerful new car ready for road trips, a serene waterfront house perfect for gatherings, and spaces filled with laughter and stories. It's times like these that remind us of what's truly valuable, urging us to mend any strained relationships and cherish those who've stood by us through ups and downs. Gifting a watch to a father transcends the simple act of giving. It's an emblem of gratitude, a token of shared history, and a nod to the journeys we've embarked on together. This isn't just any accessory, it's a profound connection, materialized through gears and hands, encapsulating gratitude for years of wisdom and sacrifice. This watch becomes not just a gift, but a medium through which family narratives are celebrated and continued. For the younger ones in the family, like a nephew too small to don a watch himself, the introduction to horology begins with something as delightful as a children's book, The Alphabet of Watches. It's a gentle nudge into a world of precision and beauty, sowing seeds of appreciation for craftsmanship that we hope will bloom as he grows. This seemingly modest step is actually a big play in nurturing the connoisseurs of tomorrow. Then there's the crown jewel of our current collection, the titanium Yachtmaster. Tracking down such an elusive timepiece is like a high-stakes scavenger hunt where only the most persistent succeed. It's not merely about adding another watch to our trove, it's about the thrill of the pursuit, the satisfaction of navigating market currents to secure something truly special. The Yachtmaster is more than a timekeeper. It's a testament to our dedication to excellence, our unyielding quest for the unique, and our resolve to always aim for the extraordinary. In the ever-evolving watch market, where trends can turn as quickly as the hands on a dial, securing such a piece is akin to capturing lightning in a bottle, a rare and electrifying achievement. This watch isn't just part of our collection, it's a symbol of our adventurous spirit, a beacon for those who dare to dream big and act boldly. Every tick of its precise mechanism is a reminder of our commitment to not just follow time, but to make every moment count, building a legacy that resonates far beyond the simple passing of hours, minutes, and seconds. As 2025 rolls out the red carpet, there's no shortage of opportunities for those ready to step up. From savvy watch investments to forging lasting bonds, this year is your canvas. What's your game plan? Which watch is on your radar? How are you going to strengthen ties in these ever-shifting times? Chime in with your thoughts and queries in the comments. We're all ears and eager to swap tales of triumph and challenge. And hey, if you haven't yet joined the opulent Oasis crew, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for more stories, tips, and maybe even a few watch puns. Let's tick off this year's goals together.